Namaskar friends and welcome to my channel Bharatscape. On this channel I explore the rich cultural heritage, timeless traditions and spiritual treasures of India. In today's video we will be diving into two unique and deeply rooted festivals celebrated in India, Holi and Dola Purnima, and how these vibrant festivals bring communities together in joy, devotion and unity. Holi is a festival of colors, celebrated with great enthusiasm across India, marking the arrival of spring, a reason of renewal, joy, and new beginnings. However, Holi also carries profound spiritual significance. According to Hindu religious beliefs, the festival commemorates the victory of good over evil, symbolized by the story of Holika Dahan. As per the ancient text, Prahlad, a young devotee of Lord Vishnu, defied his father, the demon king Hiranyakashipu, who had commanded that everyone worship him as the supreme god. Angered by his son's devotion to Vishnu, Hiranyakashipu tried to kill Prahlad several times, but every attempt was thwarted by divine intervention. The king's sister Holika, who had been blessed with a boon that made her immune to fire, was sent to kill Prahlad by sitting in a fire with him in her lap. However, due to her malicious intentions, Holika was consumed by the flames, while Prahlad emerged unscathed, saved by the grace of Lord Vishnu. Holika Dahan, the burning of the bonfire on the night before Holi, represents the destruction of evil and the triumph of good over evil. It's worth mentioning the unique Holi celebrations in Vrindavan, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. In this sacred town, Holi is celebrated with great devotion and joy, especially at the Banke Bihari temple. Devotees from around the world gather here to celebrate with colors, singing bhajans and chanting Lord Krishna's name. The temple becomes a hub of spiritual energy, with the highlight being the vibrant Latmar Holi, where devotees throw gulal and water, symbolizing Krishna's playful love for his devotees. The entire town of Vrindavan bursts into color, embodying the festive spirit of Lord Krishna's divine love. In many parts of India, especially in North India, this story is celebrated with Holika Dahan, where people gather to light bonfires made of cow dung cake, wooden sticks, flowers, and other materials, symbolizing the burning away of evil and negativity. People walk around the fire, singing devotional songs, offering prayers, and seeking blessings for a prosperous year ahead. While Holi is celebrated with similar fervor across India, Odisha adds a unique flavor to the pre-Holi festivities with the celebration of Dola Purnima, also known as Dola Milana. This sacred festival falls on the full moon night before Holi and is dedicated to the divine love of Radha and Lord Krishna. In Odisha, particularly in cities like Puri, Dola Purnima is not just a festival but a deep spiritual experience. The deities are carried through the streets in beautifully adorned vimana, palanquins, accompanied by lively kirtans and the chant of Hari Bol. The atmosphere is filled with devotion as Lord Krishna and Radha are placed on swings, symbolizing the eternal love between them, which is celebrated by the entire community. The festival is a divine celebration where people gather to offer their prayers, sing songs of devotion, and spread joy by smearing each other with fagu, the colored powder. This practice of applying fagu symbolizes the deep connection between the devotees and the divine love that Radha and Krishna share. The festival brings together not only the spiritual but also the social aspects of life, uniting people in a shared celebration of love. In Puri, one of the most iconic places to celebrate Dola Purnima, the Jagannath temple becomes the heart of the festivities. On this sacred occasion, the deities Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra are dressed in their magnificent Sunavesh, adorned with stunning gold jewelry and precious gems from the temple's treasury. The sight is nothing short of breathtaking as the deities are placed on their beautifully decorated vimana for the grand procession. The procession through the Streets of Puri is filled with music, dancing, the vibrant chants as devotees join in the celebration. People gather in large numbers, offering prayers and seeking divine blessings. The festival at the Jagannath temple not only celebrates the playful Leela of Lord Jagannath but also reinforces the significance of devotion, unity, and communal harmony. The significance of Holi associated with Lord Krishna is rooted in various texts, especially the Bhagavata Puran, where the playful and loving interactions between Lord Krishna and the gopis during Holi are described. The Bhagavata Puran describes how Krishna would delight in the festival of colors, engaging in playful exchanges with his devotees, especially with Radha and the gopis, symbolizing the divine love and joy of Krishna. Dola Purnima, celebrated in Jagannath Temple, has deep religious significance as it marks the divine manifestation of Lord Jagannath. The event is described in Skanda Puran and Padma Puran, where the processions of the deities during Dola Purnima symbolizes the joyful and playful nature of Krishna, similar to the celebration of Holi in Vrindavan. The procession, accompanied by devotional singing and chanting, reinforces themes of divine love and the unity of the community in devotion to Lord Jagannath. The rituals, including the divine Sunabesa of the deities, reflect the reverence and deep connection the people of Puri have with their Lord, as detailed in this sacred text. Dola Purnima holds deep cultural and spiritual significance in Odisha. The procession of the deities through the streets is not just a display of religious fervor but a manifestation of communal unity and devotion. The vibrant celebration of Dola Pelana with its music, dancing, and ritual serves as a reminder of the profound connection between humans and the divine. The act of smearing fagu on each other is not merely a playful tradition but a spiritual offering to Lord Krishna. The colorful powders represent the devotion and love that fills the air as communities come together to celebrate their shared faith. It is a festival that transcends social boundaries and invites everyone to experience the joy of collective devotion and love. For me, Dola Purnima holds a very special place in my heart, especially the memories of celebrating it in my maternal grandparents' village, Brahmagiri, which is a village in Puri. I remember how my sister and I eagerly awaited the arrival of Dola Melana, excited to see the grand procession where deities from various temples would be carried through the village on their vimana. I recall my mother saying about how these Tetis Koti Devi Devtas, goddesses and god, gathered in one place for a common confluence, meeting each other once a year. It was a time for the whole village to come together as families, neighbors, and friends joined in devotion. One of the most cherished memories I have is receiving 100 to 200 rupees from the elders of the family. At that time, that amount felt like a small fortune. We would save that money to buy toys and dolls at the fair that followed the procession. The joy of picking out a doll or a toy, the excitement of the fun fair, and enjoying street food are memories I'll always treasure. This simple, beautiful moment spent with family, immersed in love, tradition, and joy, remind me of the deep affection between the elders and children in the family. It's a connection that transcends time and continues to live in the memories we carry with us. Even today, in my locality, we continue to celebrate Dola Purnima and Holi with devotion and joy. During Dola Purnima, the priests from the local temples carry Radha Krishna in arm-rested palanquins, traveling from house to house. At each home, we offer prasad, sing devotional songs, and share the joy of this sacred occasion. We also prepare Rangoli, where Radha Krishna sit, offering prayers and seeking divine blessings. The day is marked by the beautiful tradition of offering the season's first mangoes to Lord Krishna, a symbol of the harvest season and nature's blessings. The festive spirit continues with Holi, where we smear fagu on our deities, celebrating the arrival of spring and honoring Lord Krishna's eternal love for Radha. These moments are a beautiful reminder of how festivals are much more than just events. There are times when communities come together, when devotion, love, and spirituality intertwine with joy and celebration, creating a bond that unites us all. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the vibrant spiritual and culturally rich celebrations of Dola Purnima and Holi. I hope this video helped you understand the deeper significance behind this festival, which not only celebrates the triumph of good over evil, but also brings us closer to each other and to the divine. Thank you, friends. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. My channel is very new, and I'd be grateful if you could like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you more such content. Stay tuned for more videos on the beauty of India's culture, traditions, and spiritual heritage. Hari Bol. Jai Jagannath.